Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs of backward waterfall decor. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end because in this video you will see stunning and unique backward waterfall designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. The smoothing sound of water, curtains and claiming atmosphere. A waterfall adds a stunning visual element to your yard. A well-designed waterfall can boost your property value. Moving water helps to purify the air and create a healthier environment. The sound of water can reduce stress and improve mental well-being. A waterfall can attract birds, butterflies, and other wildlife. A backward waterfall can be stunning local points for outdoor gardenings. The sound of water can mask unwanted noises. A waterfall brings a touch of natural beauty to your outdoor space. Remember to consider factors like space, budget, and maintenance when designing your backward waterfall. So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of decoration ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. You know viewers, different people have different choices and they love different type of decor ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite designs and apply on your place for outstanding looks. Thank you viewers for watching the video, especially for those people who are searching these types of most trending designs. So like my video, subscribe my channel
They
and
will
don't
get
forget
new
to
designs
press
and new ideas
bell icon from the new and
related to
latest
your
update.
decorations.
Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos.